Okay, so we're going to look at the amenities on the first floor. I've got Brandy with me, and you need to ask for her when you come in. Hey, Brandy.
Hi. Mailroom is here on the first level so that you know that it's indoors when it comes to the weather. It's raining right now or in the summertime heat, you know that it's indoors. We are currently in the rideshare Uber lounge. So if you're picking up groceries, delivery, or even waiting for Uber, you'll be able to do so in the first level in the first building.
Oh, this is awesome. Love this. This is great.
We also have the Butterfly MX call system. If you're not familiar, it is a modern day call box that allows you to, again, receive deliveries, friends or family, and even let yourself into the community. We have several of those entry points in our building.
Oh, that's very nice. Thank you. It's awesome. Back in?
Yeah.
Okay.
We also have a Starbucks machine that is available 24/7.
Oh, yeah. We need that. There you go. I love these machines. These are great, and these work very, very well. They're very quick, too.
Yes. Through here is the first of 3 clubhouses that we do have in the community. This is Club Lucia. Outside of the decor, it's a lot of space to entertain.
This is a lot of space. It feels very grand. It feels great. It was awesome.
TV there. Actually, you'll see one programming, but it does split into 4.
Before, yeah.
Yes.
Awesome.
The fireplace is pretty, and that's all. It has no function other than being beautiful. In the kitchenettes, we have a wine chiller. So if you are entertaining or just want to cool off any cool beverage, you'll be able to do so in this space.
Nice. Thank you, Brandon.
Of course. Would you like to?
Yes, I'm going to